Nigerian singer Falz, popularly known as Falz, has doubled down on his controversial statements that fornication is not a sin, clarifying that his view stems from a personal belief system he calls the religion of love. The artist recently sparked a wave of heated debate on social media after he posted on X, formerly known as Twitter, that fornication isn't a sin. The statement drew swift backlash from both Christian and Muslim followers, who cited scriptural references to challenge his stance. Addressing the controversy in a recent interview with Arise Television, Falz maintained his position, stating that he was not speaking from a Christian or Islamic viewpoint, but from the principles of his belief system. I think people will read the tweet and just assume that I meant according to Christianity. I wasn't really speaking from that perspective, he said.
People read the tweet and just assumed I just meant, according to Christianity. I wasn't really speaking from that perspective. I practice the religion of love, and...
Who's your preacher?
I am my own preacher. I am my own preacher. We don't have Daddy Jew. And under that religion, I don't think that fornication is a sin. Because I looked at it, I strictly addressed the issue. Why are we not allowed to engage in this premarital intercourse? What is the issue? Who does it offend? These are not married people. These are two unmarried people. Willingly, consensually.
Okay.
I don't think there's a problem there, personally. I don't think it's an issue.
Let me ask you, first of all, are you Christian?
Not anymore. I practice religion of love.
Okay, you practice religion of love.
Yeah.
Okay, so
love and humanity.
Okay. Because when I came for you, actually, were more Christians.
Yeah.
I mean, you can understand.
That's why, of course. Now, that's why I said they assumed.
That gives the context, exactly.
Also because, of course, the term fornication, I guess, is used in the Bible. So I can understand why.
Okay.
But I didn't mean under Christianity, because typically under Christianity. But even for that, you would have to show me where in the Bible it clearly says what the Bible speaks of is actually sexual immorality. Now, to you, what is that?
Wow, you put me on the spot right there.
But with that particular statement, like fornication is not a sin, that means you're trying to encourage premarital sex, and of course.
What's wrong with premarital sex?
Sometimes I feel like you should keep yourself for your partner,
Says who?
Can you see? I can hear what I like. But that means you encourage people to actually, should I say, explore their bodies before.
Yeah.
Is that not I feel like sometimes, being the fact that you are a role model to a lot of people, you should pass that message, keep yourself till marriage for one man and one woman. Or don't you believe in that
People assume.
Falz explained that his belief system, the religion of love, does not condemn consensual intimacy between unmarried adults. Perhaps the most striking part of the interview was his declaration that he no longer identifies as Christian. "I'm no longer a Christian, I practice religion of love," he added. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Share your opinion in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.